Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add wipe-left transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, if you want to add a wipe-left transition, so you just click on a box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, you can click on the this one, click on it and swipe until you can see a wipe left. This is the wipe left transition, so you just click on it, and after this you can set the duration for the effect, so you just swipe left or right this icon like this, and after this you can click on apply to all for add the transition effect to all videos. And now you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add wipe left transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.